First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type zFont3, emoji, and font changer, and install the application. Once the app is installed, open zFont3. On the home screen, tap on the Emoji section. Now you will see different emoji styles. Look for the iOS emoji or iPhone emoji style. Tap on the latest iOS emoji version available. After that, tap the Download button and then select Apply. The app will now show different installation methods depending on your phone brand, such as Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme, Vivo, or others. Select the method that matches your device brand and follow the steps shown on the screen. In most cases, the app will redirect you to the theme store or font settings where you need to apply the downloaded font or theme. After applying it, restart your phone if required. Once your phone turns back on, open WhatsApp, Instagram, or any messaging app. Now, when you open the emoji keyboard, you will see iPhone-style emojis on your Android device. And that's how you can download and use iPhone emojis on Android easily. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.